Hey there, Colin Dart, Mile High Modern, checking in late August for a little bit of a market update. I want to take some more broad sweeps at what I'm seeing today, and I anticipate will be developing into closing out the third quarter and entering into the fourth. Right now, the important things, the more broad macroeconomic trends that we're seeing in the local markets is no inventory, high interest rates. These are two things that frankly are allowing our prices to decelerate, not depreciate. So we're holding on to really record equity gains that have been made over the last decade and certainly over the last 3 years. And so this deceleration is causing a little bit of uncertainty in the market. Where are we going to go? Where are we going to end up this year? And I go back to seasonality. We're going to retract in pricing. We may end up losing a little bit of steam as we enter into the fourth quarter. However, with the amount of inventory that is out in the market right now, there's just not enough to meet even the diminished demand that we're dealing with in the homes market right now due to the high interest rates. So there's less transaction volume, there's less inventory, and we're dealing with just a little bit more of a market that's petering along as we enter into the latter part of 2023. Looking at where I see some opportunity right now is, yes, interest rates are high on the buy side. This creates challenges for both buyers and sellers because sellers want to get their homes moving and buyers want to be able to afford and not lose so much buying power from month to month. This can be very punitive if you've been out shopping for some time and been quoted a 6.25% interest rate. Now we're looking at interest rates above 7%, and that's potentially could be different today because they've been quite volatile. But keep in mind that as these interest rates go up, sellers are more and more likely to negotiate on concessions to deal with these. And these can be done in a 2-in-1 buy down, a permanent rate buy down. But this is allowing buyers to get into the market to capture still a pretty appealing interest rate with some seller provided concessions. Now, alternatively, I'm very focused on the sales side because I still think that especially those of you that have been in homes for 3, 5+ years, you're sitting on record equity. You're dealing with a environment right now that would allow for contingent offers because there's less buyers out in the market. So the move up opportunity in this market cannot be understated because a unique time, a unique little capsule, third quarter, fourth quarter 2023, that may be a time to take a look at this type of transaction. As always, I think that there's opportunity. If you're out in the market, the most important thing I think is if you're ready to buy or sell, reach out to an agent, get the most updated analysis on your specific situation, a bespoke analysis that will allow you to create a situation that is advantageous to you. And ultimately, you're out buying and selling because you want to live locally, you want to live in a home you own, and you want to enjoy all of the benefits that come with that. So I'm always here to support any of you that are out kind of poking around or ready to get hot and heavy. And I hope you have a wonderful rest of your month into the next month. I know school's started and Colorado football is about to begin as well. Go Buffs. Until next time, take care, ciao.